Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra's Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be trying another practice run of that Dutch pour that I love so much. I've got a few blues and a little bit of green picked out, and Greg made me put purple as well. He thinks it needs purple, so let's go with it. What the heck. If you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. It's really important. And everybody that keeps coming back, thank you so much. Love all the comments, the thumbs up. Keep them coming. It really does make my day. And if you haven't yet checked out Tammy Anderson's art, please go to her channel and check her out. She's trying to reach 100,000 subscribers. She's not very far away. So any little bit of help that you guys could do for her, I'd appreciate it. I don't know her personally. I've seen her art, watched her videos. Beautiful. She's an excellent teacher. And she deserves this. She's really worked hard. So please go out, check out Tammy Anderson's art and check it out. Okay, let's do this. I've got all my colors mixed with 50% of the pearlescent mixing medium. Love this stuff. You can find it on Amazon. I actually have a link in the descriptions if you want to get yourself some. Click the link, and any sales that I get, a small percentage gets on a gift card from Amazon to me to replenish some of my supplies. So feel free to shop, buy yourself some paint or some cups or some stir sticks, anything. I'd really appreciate it. All right, let's do this. I've got the white already down on a 16 by 20 canvas. I'm going to give this a little bit of a torch. Now Greg's recently filled this and he's filled it too much, so it might give a little bit of a bounce back. Don't be alarmed, I got water nearby. Okay. This is just getting the bubbles out. And I see a little bit of something here. I don't know what it is. Pull that right out of there. Okay, so I'm going to actually tilt my canvas and pour the colors so they go a little bit straight down. I usually pour kind of wobbly, so I'm going to give that a try and see if it changes any of the effect of my Dutch pour. So let's lift this up. I'm going to first do turquoise blue. And I'm going to start right here. That seems like it'd be pretty good. Okay, my next color I want to do is going to be mint green. Perfect. And then my next one's going to be my peacock pearl metallic with the pearlescence added in. It's going to be even more of a beautiful color when it dries. Okay. Where am I going to put my colors? I might need more, so got to keep them close by. Have I done this one yet? No, this one's the Bahama Blue. Now each of these cups I've put 1 drop of silicone in. Try and get some cell action on this one too. All right. Now purple. Let's get some purple. I think I'm going to go a little bit on each side. Try that much. And that much. I'm going to use a little bit more. Almost to the bottom there. All right. Last color is my cerulean blue. Very pretty colors going down there. Now we're going to make a bit of noise. Look at the puddle of paint I got there. I'm going to have to dip a canvas in that when I'm done too. Okay. So I think I need some of my turquoise added in here. A little bit thicker. Gonna blow it out anyways, but there we go. Okay. I'm gonna take some of my white and just add a bit over here because I want to blow each side. So it'll help with the paint flow a little bit. And I think I have a good consistency to get a beautiful Dutch pour this time. Fingers crossed. Okay, now I'm going to make some noise with my blow dryer. Bear with me. Let's just give this a couple seconds to settle. Let's give it a little bit of a torch. Got lots of bubbles happening. All right, hang on to that. I feel the urge to do white right up the center. I'm going to. Follow your gut. I'm just going to grab my little airbrush. Best $60 I ever spent on Amazon. I know I always say that. But cordless airbrush, $60. Link will be in the description. Get yourself one. You won't be sorry. There we go. I'm going to blow out a couple of these edges here. Okay, let me give it one more torch. All right, look at the cells popping out on that. Beautiful. I don't want to tilt it because I'm going to lose all my coloring off of there. But I really like this. Love how all the colors come out in here. And we got a good solid patch in the center, which is awesome. One spot I'm not crazy about. What's going on there? Let me just see. There we go. I think I just blew it a little bit too hard with my airbrush. A little bubble right there. There we go. And that's just me being picky. Love how the outside turned out especially. Beautiful. Alrighty, so there's a 16 by 20 Dutch pour. I won't know if this is my favorite until I see it dry. But as it sits right now, I think this one's going to be my favorite. Alright everybody, thanks very much for joining me. Please hit subscribe. And remember, go check out Tammy Anderson's art. She needs you to go and subscribe. Thanks very much everyone.